meetings in the last 3 days in China with leadership of this great country about different sanctions imposed by different countries from the globe on Chinese businesses and Chinese entrepreneurs. Many big powers in the world are shy and are afraid of China's becoming and growing in a much speedier way than any other economy in the world right now. Our political party, which is in governance in Pakistan right now, was also in governance thrice before. And last year we were in a very short stint of 16 months coalition government. But in every tenure of our political government in the governance in the federal level, we have always been very pro-business friendly policy. I started my career in politics, sector politics, as Minister of State for Investment. I had the opportunity to work as Federal Minister of Commerce and 4 times Finance Minister of Pakistan. So I can assure you that Pakistan offers great opportunities, and it is a high time for you to seriously consider in the areas which Ambassador Hashmi has explained, or I have also added few ideas. So I think this is the time you reflect to set up business in Pakistan. In 2013, we started initial negotiations with the Chinese leadership for the Cpec, which culminated and finalized in 2015 during President Xi's visit to Pakistan. So since then, if you see the Pakistan track record of 2013, 2018, which was a full tenure last time, again we have started 2 months ago, 5 years term of this government, you will find that the economic performance was fabulous. There was low inflation, 4% CPI, food inflation 2%, 6% the central bank policy rate, best stock market of South Asia and 5th best in the world, highest foreign exchange reserves in the Pakistan history. So Pakistan was performing, in a very speedy fashion, and we became the 24th global economy in 2017. And PricewaterhouseCoopers, a global institution, projected Pakistan to be part of G20 within the next few years with the speed we were doing at that time. Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif has set up immediately after taking oath as Prime Minister a special committee to promote investment of Chinese entrepreneurs in Pakistan. The idea is that this committee should facilitate the investor. We have already set up last year, when we were in government for 16 months, a special investment facilitation council, which is headed by the Prime Minister and all relevant ministers. So in the minimum possible time under one roof, you have the one window, what we call one window facilitation, and that is available to the Chinese friends and investors. As indicated, that agriculture, information technology, mines and minerals are key areas where there is a great potential, but the green energy is another one. You can look into that. The defense production, joint ventures for the large business houses involved in China in this area. So the scope is tremendous. And I think, as I said, that this is probably the best time, in our history that you can kindly consider from every angle: the fiscal, the labor costs, the access to the export markets, the special incentives under the free trade agreements, we have negotiated and Pakistan is entitled to. So all these are win-win, incentives for doing business in Pakistan right now. I know that you must be, fully aware as business leaders that there was an incident, a security lapse, basically a terrorist-driven incident in Pakistan, where about 5 Chinese brothers and 1 Pakistani was killed. But let me assure you that this is a sort of activity which are sponsored by those who are not very happy with our brotherhood and our partnership, and we will not be deterred by any such terrorist activity. We are, at a very advanced stage to have identified the culprits. We are, our intelligence agencies, our law enforcement agencies. So such incidents do happen You have seen recently one happened in Russia, one happened other countries. So these things do happen. But let me assure you that the lives and the property of our Chinese business leaders and friends is very dear to us, and we'll make every effort to make sure that is safe in Pakistan. Our mission in Beijing is very active, and our ambassador is super active. So let me assure you that any queries, any information which you seek to take your decision would be available to you at a very fast speed. And we at the Ministry of Foreign Affairs in Pakistan would be at your service directly or through the mission. So please rest assured that we would be a conduit between the relevant ministries, the SIFC, Special Investment Facilitation Council, our mission in China. So we will all be working to provide you the best service we can for establishing your business in Pakistan. Please also do share your thoughts and your proposals or suggestions to the mission and His Excellency the Ambassador, which we will be very happy to consider. You might have some special ideas, some special suggestions, or some special incentives you think which may be lacking. So we will be very open to discussion, because this is the high time. Because generally we present our budget in the month of June in the Parliament, although the working starts in February every year. If there is any thing you feel is missing and needs to be taken into consideration, please do feel free to send this through the mission to Pakistan, and I'll do my best to, based on the merits and our own policy, to accommodate it. My heartfelt thanks to all of you who have joined this morning, and please have a great day. I hope that we will be seeing most of you, setting up their business in Pakistan, and we would welcome your participation. Thank you so much indeed. God bless you all, and the friendship, China-Pakistan friendship, long live. Zindabad. Thank you.